Hey guys, we just hit the bonus on Buffalo Gold. 8 free spins on a $1.80 bet.
Start feature.
Start feature. How about smells?
Not all the way though.
How about some cougars? Alright, how about some coins? Do something. There we go. I'm sorry, machine. Please forgive me and give me coins. Uh-oh. She's fickle. Alright, well there go the Eagles. But I need some coins. Two spins left. And last spin. Wow. $9. It doesn't even show it on the screen. It's so ashamed of it. $9. Give it a backup spin. Alright, that was Buffalo Gold. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Brian here, and we're going to try Star Watch Fire with a big old wheel. Hopefully we can get that spinning. I got $40 in, penny machine, $2 a spin. Oh, here we go. Oh, there it changed. Okay. Well, the other one's still higher. So, all right. So apparently that's the free spin bonus. And then it's got the stars with the dollar amounts on it, or money amounts.
3, 4, 5.
Volcanoes are wild. Ooh, 26 cents. Come on. Darn. Don't know how many of those we need. What, 6?
So you get paid that.
Oh, that works.
That's what you're on this one, so if they land anywhere on there, you get paid.
That's right. Okay. Well, good. $1.50. Didn't make our money back, but good to know for the next time. If there is a next time.
Ah, money back. Oh,
aha. Alright, I just want to see the bonus. Money back. Okay, well I like that little feature.
well, the way you win the money.
Yeah. Oh. For 27 cents. Okay, so the money's not in the line hits. Of course, it's Konami, and that's usually the way it is. Oh yeah, well, we're way past our halfway point. Come on, let's see a bonus. Oh. Oh wow. Alright, well, a couple more spins. Two more. Come on. Ah, last spin. Wow. Well, cashing out $1.58 on Star Watch Fire. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Brian here. We're going to try Fast Cash. And we're going to be playing the Timberwolf Deluxe. 30 is in, volume is up, and it's super loud. We're going to be doing $1 a bet. So, the best jackpot odds. $1 bet, here we go. Good start. 260. Hey, I'm up. Cash out. Reindeer. Those are wild. We need owls from left to right. Those count as the bonus. 240. And every once in a while that thing will go ballistic and we'll get a jackpot. Oh, boo. He blocked me from my wolves.
Wolves blocked from a 5 trigger.
Oh.
That's actually really good.
90 cents times 27.
Guess we're getting up even at least.
Yeah. 54.30. We hit our 45 mark. So we're going to get up even. So I'm going to go up to $2 a bet and play it down to 30. Oh, here we go. Maybe that was a bad idea. We'll see.
Maybe not. Play that.
Alright, come on. I'll play it down to 40 and go back to $1. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to $1 now. Living in that high rent district doesn't work for me. Oh, come on. Alright, looks like 2 more spins. Yeah. Alright, 2 more spins. Couple wolves didn't pay. Alright, last spin, here we go. Oh no! Not even enough for 1 more spin. Alright. Anyway, we're getting up even on Fast Cash Timberwolf Deluxe. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Brian here, and we're playing Lightning Link Moon Race. We got the 10-cent denomination, $100 in, $250 a bet, not playing the whole 100. At least I hope not. Hope I can force myself to get up if it's not going well. So here we go. Little Astronaut's Wild. The moon race symbol, we need 3 of those for the bonus. 3 of those or 6 of those. Now we know what we need, let's get them. Just like that. They get 6 free games. And it's all premium symbols.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah. Ooh, $100. That was easy.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah.
That's $20.
Oh, we got 10 spins. I thought it was 6. I like that they take the normal symbols out and it's all premium on the bonus. Come on. Oh. Ah.
like the noises.
It's so futuristic. All right, last spin.
We're in weeks of 1960.
Well, hell, that was a $126 bonus. Up to $215. Wow, we keep playing. Let's go down to 200 and call it a double up. Another one. Oh. All right, two more. And last spin. Well, there you go. That was a quick $100 double up on Lightning Link Moon Race. Thanks for watching.